how to log in RedNote account. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to log into a RedNote account. Without further ado, let's get started. Open RedNote on your device. You will land on the login or sign up page. Simply tap on the login button. As of now, there are 3 ways to log into a RedNote account. One way is to use a registered phone number. The second way is to log in directly via Facebook. And the third way is to log in directly via your Google account. Choose the method associated with a RedNote account. I have made a RedNote account using a phone number without a password, so I will log in via phone number. At first, select your correct country code. For that, tap on the default country code. Then, select the correct country code from the drop-down. Now, enter your phone number. Once entered, tick the checkbox for I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions. Finally, tap the login button. Then, an OTP will be sent via WhatsApp to a provided number if it's valid. Simply enter that code. Then, RedNote will automatically begin the login process. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to log into a RedNote account. That concludes today's tutorial. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.